Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics Idea. Today I will discuss rectilinear motion with uniform acceleration, graphical proof of equation of motion. For a particle in motion, let u equals to initial velocity, v equals to final velocity. Corresponding uniform acceleration equals to a. Let displacement equals to s in that time. Then the above variables obey the following equations: v equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square, v square equals to u square plus 2s. v equals to u plus at. Let the initial velocity of a particle be u and its final velocity after time t be v. In time t, change in velocity v minus u. Rate of change of velocity with time v minus u by t equals to a. By definitions, at equals to v minus u, v equals to u plus at. Second equation, s equals to ut plus half at square. If a particle with initial velocity u and uniform acceleration a attains final velocity v after time t, the average velocity considering the two endpoints is u plus v by 2. u plus v by 2. The accelerations a implies that the velocity increases by after every second. The velocity 1 second after the starts of motion u plus a, end of motion 1 second before the end of motion v minus a. Average velocity u plus a plus v minus a by 2 equals to u plus v by 2. The particle can be considered to have travelled a distance s with the average velocity u plus v by 2 in time t. Displacement s equals to u plus v by 2 cross t, u plus at by 2 cross t. We know v equals to u plus at. S equals to 2 ut by 2 plus half of at square. S equals to ut plus half of at square. Proof. Third equation, v square equals to u square plus 2as. From equation 1 we have v equals to u plus at. v equals to u plus at. v square equals to u plus at whole square. u square plus 2u at plus a square t square. u square plus 2a ut plus half of at square. We know that s equals to ut plus half of at square. v square equals to u square plus 2as. Second topic, graphical proof of the equation of motion. AB represents the velocity time graph AB represents the velocity time graph of a particle starting with an initial velocity u, attaining a final velocity v in time t, moving with a uniform acceleration a. Along the time and velocity axis, OC equals to t, OA equals to u, CB equals to v, CB equals to v, A equals to slope of AB. Tan theta equals to dB by AD equals to CB minus CD by AD. CB minus CD by AD. CB minus OA. CD equals to OA. CB minus OA by OC. AD OC equals to V minus U by T. Proof of V সমান U plus AT. We know the equation of a straight line of slope m with an intercept C on the y-axis is y equals to mx plus c, equation of straight line, where y equals to v, m equals to a, x equals to t and c equals to u. A equals to v minus u by t, v minus u equals to say at, v equals to u plus at. The graph AB follows the equations v equals to u plus at. Proof of S one ut plus half at square. The area under the graph AB and time axis gives the displacement of the particle in time t. Area under AB in the area of trapezium OA BC, trapezium OA BC, which is the sum of the areas of the rectangle OADC, sum of the rectangle OADC and the triangle ABD. The displacement of the particle in time t. S equals to OA cross OC, OA cross OC plus half of AD cross DB, half of AD cross DB, OA cross OC plus half of dB by AD cross AD square, AD square. S equals to UT plus half AT square, AD equals to OC equals to T. Third proof, V square equals to U square plus 2x. Slope of AB equals to A. Slope of AB equals to A equals to tan theta, angle tan theta equals to dB by AD equals to dB by OC. AS equals to slope of AB cross area of the trapezium OABC. Trapezium OABC. BD by OC cross half of OA plus CB cross OC, half of BD OA cross CB equals to half of CB minus CD into OA plus CB, half of V minus U into V plus U equals to half of V square minus U square, 2AS equals to V square minus U square, তাহলে V square equals to U square plus 2AS. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Next day topic vertical motion under gravity.